What I have here are the notes from a project we did a couple years ago. What I want to do is explain to you how we went from our initial consultation notes to our rendered design, why the customer even called us in the first place, and how we got to this.
This client called us after we had sold out for 2017, so we scheduled a December appointment to discuss a 2018 installation. The freeze thaw from the snow and the frozen ground made it clear to us where the standing water problems were. In addition to water management problems, this customer needed help reorganizing the site to improve function and circulation.
Let's start off with a clean piece of paper, and we're going to use the RGB method. Red for constructed features, green for planted spaces, blue for paved surfaces. We use this method in my office so that Doug and myself can trade notes and ideas back and forth while focusing only on the function that the customer wants to accomplish and how the site circulates. Then we can start to really understand the site and only later start to think about the details like which pavers we're going to use or which plants we're going to use. Let's start with the drainage. The drain tile was to follow the exterior of the yard where they already had a natural swale, but their swale didn't really flow correctly. They're very low in elevation here, low in elevation here. They were high in this area and high in that area, which didn't allow the water to flow. Also, this area here is in the least amount of shade, and this area here has significantly more shade, and they had a hard time growing a lawn there. As they've gotten older, they want to play with their grandkids, and they can't really play in this mushy yard over here. So what I recommended to the customer is that we move the patio from here over to here. We wanted to create a more circular patio because we were going to create this large arching drain that was going to have an open aggregate on top of it to not only be aesthetically pleasing, but also more functional for more water flow. We were putting this patio where the shade is more, and then we were filling in this space where they currently had patio with turf that they could use to play with their grandchildren. Then, all the way in the back, we were going to just plant this area because it was part of the woods, it wasn't really usable space, and we just wanted to make it more aesthetically pleasing. This customer also is a little bit of a hobby horticulturalist, and he enjoys a diverse plant palette, so we gave him a lot to play with. This is the final drawing of the project. If you want to see how this project was installed, you can watch the next videos. All of the before, during, and afters, and any videos that have been created in between the time I'm recording this video and you are watching it are at our website right here. I appreciate you watching this video. I appreciate customers that let us work on projects like this, and I hope to work on projects like this for you in the future.